Modern business presentations, mastering both message and media with AI. What if everything you thought you knew about teaching presentation skills in the age of AI was about to change? The truth is, helping students create and deliver compelling presentations while effectively leveraging AI tools has become one of the biggest challenges facing business communication instructors today. But here's where Business Communication Today, 16th edition by Bovay and Thill, offers something truly groundbreaking. From analyzing audiences and organizing content to creating visually compelling slides and preparing for delivery, our approach reflects how AI is actually being used in today's business presentations. This helps ensure students maintain their authentic voice and connection with audiences. Here's what makes this approach truly exceptional. Students learn to use AI as a collaborative tool while mastering essential communication skills. For example, when preparing presentations, students discover how to partner with AI to brainstorm engaging opening hooks, generate creative visual concepts for slides, analyze audience preferences and pain points, and develop compelling narrative structures. AI shouldn't be taught in isolation. Instead, the authors integrated it into each of the 5 steps in the presentation process: planning and research, content development, visual design, delivery preparation, and audience engagement. Here's where the story takes a surprising turn. Rather than diminishing traditional communication skills, our AI coverage actually enhances them. Students learn to use AI as an amplifier for their own creativity and critical thinking. The students' hidden potential emerges when they discover how to use AI to overcome presentation anxiety, generate multiple approaches to challenging topics, create more engaging visual elements, develop stronger audience connections, and practice and refine their delivery. But what about practical application? This is where everything changed. Each chapter includes real-world scenarios where students apply AI tools to actual business situations. They learn to navigate the ethical considerations, maintain authenticity, and leverage AI's capabilities while preserving their unique voice. Here's what will truly excite you as an instructor. The end of chapter materials are trailblazing. From AI-enhanced presentation analysis exercises to team-based cases involving emerging technologies, these activities challenge students to think critically while building practical skills. The portfolio building opportunities let students create meaningful work samples that showcase both their communication abilities and their strategic use of AI tools. The future of business communication is here, and it's more empowering than ever. You're not just teaching presentation skills, you're preparing students for today's AI-enhanced workplace. That's the promise of chapters 16 and 17 in the 16th edition of Business Communication Today by Bovay and Thill. Unlock our powerful new approach to guiding your students towards success. Order an examination copy today using the handy link above this video, and just imagine the possibilities you and your students can experience with this exciting new edition.